If you're a parent in South Africa, this is important. On 8 January, South Africa issued an urgent recall on Nestle baby formula, the NAN Special Pro HA 800 gram tin. Why? Because a routine quality check in Europe discovered a dangerous toxin risk. The same contaminated batch made its way onto shelves across South Africa and into at least 25 countries worldwide. The affected batch number is 5166074 2F3. This formula is for babies from birth to 12 months, especially infants with milk protein allergies. So this directly affects some of the most vulnerable children. The toxin involved is called cerulean. It's heat stable, meaning boiling water does not destroy it. Symptoms can appear fast: vomiting, stomach cramps, severe diarrhea within 30 minutes to 6 hours. Even if your baby looks fine, experts say the only safe option is to return the product immediately for full refund. So please, if you have NAN Special Pro HA at home, turn the tin over and check the batch code right now. And share this video. One share could protect a child today. What do you think of this? Let me know in the comments.